Right. Hello. I think we're recording now. So this is April 2nd. I'm sorry your ears hurt, Frank. No, it's fine, man. Guys, that's just my kids. They're here doing their own distance learning. So here we go. So today is April 2nd. As always, we're going to start with a review of our objective. So today really focuses on two ideas. One, this idea called transcription, and this idea called translation. All right, so again, by the end of class, you guys should be able to define transcription and translation. All right, so you remember this from yesterday, where we talked about DNA, RNA, turns into amino acids, and then becomes proteins. So now here's kind of where in this process that happens. You see, transcription is what happens as DNA transcribes to RNA. And then RNA translates to amino acids. So, the process is pretty detailed, and you will go over that. But for now, you just need to know that transcription, that DNA transcribes into RNA, and RNA translates into amino acids. And then amino acids eventually become proteins. We'll go through that later too. All right, so here is the cell. Now, please notice that I have highlighted ribosomes because in a cell, ribosomes is where all of the DNA transcribes to RNA and RNA translates to amino acids. The ribosomes are a really, really important place in the cell. And then here is a picture of the ribosome. And you're going to see this again in today's reading. You'll be asked to describe some parts of it. So you can study it here, look at it now, just, let's make note of all the different parts. This thing is supposed to be the ribosome. You see something called mRNA. Notice the arrows, it's going in and then out of the ribosome. You see this thing called amino acids. Notice that it's pointing here and here. You see where it's called tRNA, and that's referring to this structure. Notice the relationship between tRNA and the amino acid. Notice the direction of the arrows. Notice how this arrow is indicating the string of newly born proteins. All right, so that's what you guys are going to have to notice and think about. After this, you're going to do a reading and answer some questions. After that reading, you guys are going to take a quiz. It's a short quiz that, again, of course, asks you essentially to define transcription and translation. All right, you guys know how to get a hold of Ms. Williams and I. If you need help, we'll be reaching out to you as well. Good luck, everyone.